Using a T25 Torx bit, you want to go ahead and remove this screw and this screw. I'm going to grab that tail light, gently pull forward, twist, and disconnect all of your light bulbs. Right, now you want to go ahead and reinstall the bulbs. Just line those up. And just twist, lock them into place. Once these are all lined up, I'll go ahead and insert these tabs or these studs into the body. Push it in. Now I'll go ahead and reinstall the screws. Go ahead and get those started by hand. You just want to go ahead and snug those screws down. And that's it.